It's Life with KaityB back in the building. Sorry I look wretched as, and I'm here with my girl Dad. And we're gonna be pranking my mum, so we're gonna do a black eye. We don't know if we're gonna do like a little hickey or something. Yeah, so my mum doesn't know that I finished early, so because there's not much work obviously, but yeah, so we're good. I'm trying to figure out a way to, like, you know, approach her and stuff like that. I'll probably sit at home and act like I got beaten up like really bad, and then my mum will come home and be like, what happened? What happened? I'll be like, yeah. So we're gonna try and do a black eye. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but
we'll try.
We'll find a way. Okay. I've never done a black eye before, guys. Oh my god. Oh,
sorry guys.
What do you guys think? Oh well. Well. It doesn't really look too obvious, on camera. Can we appreciate my beautiful sister here? Oh my goodness. Get back to you guys when I'm at home and I'm gonna try and think of a scene or play, okay? I'll let you guys know. Puffed up. Alright guys, almost at spot to go. Gonna add some lipstick on my lip, like cut lip. Yeah, probably see you guys inside. What do you think, man? Oh my god.
You went all out.
Sort of getting high with the smell of the nail polish, but
yeah. Yeah. Let's go for the look. So you ever just look up and down? I really know.
Why did you ask me if I was at home? What happened?
me and one of the ladies had a fight today.
Why?
I got really pissed off because she was in my way, and then she started doing it on purpose, and then...
Has she punched you?
I know, we just started getting physical because her trolley was in the way and I was trying to move, and she pulled her trolley back, and I was like, I'm trying to get through, can't you see I'm trying to get through? I pulled my trolley back, I pulled her trolley back, and I went to go move to get a product downstairs, and she kicked my face.
She kicked your face?
So we finished 1:30, had a meeting. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. I don't know if I'm coming in tomorrow, but my manager says she's gonna message me.
And who's the other chick?
The Asian chick I was talking about. That just keeps pissing me off.
She kicked you in the eye. Yeah. With her work boot?
Yeah, the work boot. We still had a fight. But I sort of days out of it.
Why didn't they say to take you to the doctor to look at the eye?
I said it to her.
What did management say?
Oh, they said they'll probably message us. I think they're gonna message us later on tonight. Just come in tomorrow.
Why didn't they fucking... What? Look at your face, it's all fucking bruised. I'm off tomorrow. I'm gonna fucking see them.
I don't know, I think they're gonna get the police involved. I'm not too sure.
Why are they getting police involved for? Look at your face. Where's the... Oh, man. Who's that chick?
It's one of the Asian ladies.
How old is she?
I think 30 or something. I don't know.
Full-time?
Full-time. She's one of the full-time.
That's it. That's it.
I don't know where she...
No, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna fucking come down there and fucking put it down.
Okay, that's what I didn't want to tell you.
No. No, that's it. I'm off tomorrow. New face. How does she fucking kick you in the eye of that? And what does the company do? She fucking kicked you with those safety boots. That, no. Give me. Good.
Okay.
Oh. Look at your face. They don't even know if your nose is broken or what. Put a jumper on, get ready. You know you're going to sit in there and play. What's her name?
Shawazi.
I'll drop you guys off tonight.
I don't know. I'm see if I just gonna message me.
I didn't give a fuck. I didn't give a fuck. Fucking get a fucking act together. Take your foot off. Here's your car keys.
It's a prank!
Is it a prank or not? Mom! Oh, is that right?
I got $20.
Were you fucking holding it?
Did you really get it? Honest? I did it as one photo. Ow! I did it as one photo. Ow!
Just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Kyle!
There's one part that looks like she was gonna laugh. Oh my god. Does it look real good? Yeah. No, the name that I came up with, she was like, what's your name? And I was like, Traversy.
You know, I'm gonna drop you off. Here's the prank, huh? I'm gonna drop you off.
Oh, fetch
I'm
a
gonna go
Rosie.
there and then I'm gonna go, fetch a Rosie there.
Excuse me?
He's gonna go, who? And I go, that The who, me? Where's the fucking Tarosi? I don't want to see it for the rest of today. Fuck off.
You mean tonight? My chat times. Child up is. No. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to tune into my next videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this prank.
It's not even funny.
So far, so far.
It's not even a funny video. Delete it.